Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Manish here. In last October 2019, I have purchased a Hyundai Venue car. At that time, I have posted a video about the pros and cons of the same car. If you have missed to watch that video, I will put down the links in the description as well as in the cards above. So moving on, lots of people have asked me about the items to be purchased for a new car. So in this video, I will be sharing with you some of the items that I have purchased for my car. Before moving, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. Let's start the video. Okay, to start up, I got the wooden car beats. The main purpose of the wooden beat seat is to offer free air circulation and provide comfort while riding or working long hours. Some do not have good ventilation system for the seat cover to last. That is why you should consider best wooden beat seat cover with a good ventilation system. Moving on to the next is the music system screen protector. The main benefits is it protects against impact, scratches, dust and fingerprint smudges. But in my view, smudges were noticeable, but still it gives some really good protection against scratches and impacts. Next in my list is the God's Idol. This is first thing most people will buy at the time of delivery of the car, but it's purely your personal choice. Meanwhile, if you are buying a new car, then I have made a dedicated video about the pre-delivery checkup list. I have given the links for the video in the cards above. Next up is the vinyl floor mat that I have fixed from the agent itself, but I'm not going to recommend that because it gets a lot of scratching and it was hard to clean. So then I'm going to suggest you the 7D car floor mats. In my experience, these are the best. Always keep cleaning cloths handy in the car. Microfiber cleaner clothes with higher GSM are best for washing your vehicle. Nowadays, we can never predict the weather, so it's better to keep handy umbrellas in the car. I have seen this little capsule umbrella with the cool capsule case to be more portable. Added value is the case presented with this. Next is the car tissue box holder. Many tissue box holders are there, but I preferred it because it would not take extra space in the car. Synthetic chamois leather towel. This absorber chamois towel provides the possible liquid absorption. It comes very handy to clean the car in the rainy seasons. Now almost all car tires are tubeless, so having a handy tubeless tire puncture repair toolkit is still the best option. When you go for a longer rides, then definitely this mini air compressor pump will be useful. Just plug the wire in your car power socket and you are good to fill the air. These are the sunshades. These are placed in the windshield when the car is parked. But I have also included the magnetic sunshade curtains. I have purchased this, but the size was not perfect for my car. But some of my friends got the same with the perfect fittings. These are the microfiber washing gloves to clean the car easily. I have another type of elastic straps washing sponges. They are made of same microfiber materials. These are very useful for cleaning the car. The most important cleaning product is the car vacuum cleaner. These are very useful ones. I have the Optima brand, which I don't feel you may be getting in India, but I have provided the links for the alternative ones, which is better than what I have. Then comes the cleaning products. I have got my car cleaning kit from the agent itself, but I will recommend the 3M large car care kit. These are always the best cleaning kits in the market. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make another part of this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, this is Manish signing off.